Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and I am a predominantly Google Meet user. Okay, yeah, I love Google Meet. It's easy to use. It's just one click, nothing more bothering like Zoom, like the the way that Zoom works. I really don't like it because it takes me more clicks to create one meeting. So that's why I don't use it. And rather than that, you have to download desktop app in order to get great support with Zoom and other softwares like Microsoft Teams. Really, why did you guys even made this software? It's so puzzled up. How will you use it? I don't know. From being a Google Meet user, if why I actually once or twice tried Microsoft Teams just to support my customer, and I got so much confused about the platform. That platform is heck piece of a you know what, right? So I it's not a ranting video about the video conferencing platforms. Rather than it's a simple video about a tool that you're gonna like a lot from now on. That is will actually that will help you to first of all whenever you are creating a agenda on your calendar regarding a meeting, you can add it as a note. Like it will give you the proper structure of creating the note. Second, when you are attending a meeting, it will help you to take notes and share the notes with whomever we you are in that call right then, and as well as have your own sort of notes, like own personal notes. And after the meeting is done, you can send all of the notes to your colleagues, shared notes to your colleague, and sync your personal note or shared note to your preferable software, note taking software. So Notion is available, but it's under coming soon mode. I think it will be included soon, as I am really predominantly a Notion user as well. So those are the things. Let me show you the website, but I will not be able to show you working demo of it because it's gonna show my calendar, and that's a private thing that I don't wanna show right now. So obviously, let's just see the website, and actually they have a great introductory video. I will put a link of that in the description as well, no problem. But let's just see it, right? Okay. So here is a product today that is Shepherd, and this is gonna make your product like meeting great. And it's currently supports Google Chrome. Obviously, it's a Chrome plugin that will help you to do everything, and Google Calendar and Google Meet. So it's totally based on Google. And here is the introductory video. It's really great. If you want to say it. So yeah, what I have already said, like all your notes in your Google Calendar. So basically, whenever you create an agenda or create a reminder in your Google Calendar, it will like treat is as a note. Okay, so in that thing, obviously you will create all of the things, okay, like in a note manner or note pattern. And it has really great tools built into it. Like in Notion, what we do, we write black slash, and there are a lot of utilities that come up. Here is also the same thing is applicable. You click on black slash, and there are tons of tools that will come up. Like they has divider, highlight your text, bold your text, blah blah blah, heading and all, everything. And they will give you a rich text editor as well. So that is also great. Like that what you see, WIS, what you see, what you get, editor, or WI says whatever that it is. Okay, in short forms. Then obviously you have shared notes, as I have said you already, and you can mention in the notes as well. Obviously, like you press on or at the rate, to mention all of your colleagues in the notes, and they can jot down in the notes collaboratively, obviously, okay, whenever you are having the meeting. So that's a great point to have. And connect your favorite apps, like share with everything. But all of the things are not included yet. We have Zira and Trello, but not all of them are included yet into it yet. Okay, so that's the thing about this like whole chef order. And yeah, here are the recalls of everything again, and that's it. So I will really be not able to show you a working example, as I've said, as this is obviously private thing to show calendars. But please try it out, because I have tried it and fiddle around with it, and I really find it useful. Because why not, right? When you are getting so much organized space, all of the integration, specifically I am specifically waiting for the Notion integration, to be honest. And by the like preview that they have shown me, I think it will come soon, and I'm really waiting for that because I'm a Notion user. So it will be a great tool for me, because what happens whenever I get to a meeting with client, I have to take a notes in something like this kind of diary and all. Okay, but it's not really ideal, I would say, because there are lots of diary here and there and notebooks here and there of mine, where I take notes and forget in which notebook I have actually taken the notes. So that is me. I am kind of messed in that scenario. So rather than that, it will be better to have that all in cloud, because in cloud you can like get it from any of the device you want, and obviously it will be connected to your account. So that is way better to have notes regarding meetings or regarding business things that is important to you. Okay, so that's really about it. That's really about this volume plugin. Or actually it's not just a plugin, it's a whole new thing, to be honest. So that's it about it. Please let me know if you like it or not. Like, please use it first of all, and let me know then if you like it or not. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great tools like this, and you may be wondering, you haven't even gave us a demo, how will we know it's a great tool? Obviously it's a great tool, believe me. If you have believed me so long, like for other products, believe me for this as well, because it's really great. And try it out. Not just Don't just believe me, try it out as well. So that's it for this video. If you have like if you know some of the great really great products like this, please let me know about them as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye.